As I mentioned in the email, we recently came across a tool that we feel some of you will find very useful as you prepare to complete your EDS or School Systems Review report. Um, you can see the document on the screen. It is a Google form that contains a cover page or introduction page, and then the second page will take you to the actual survey with all 26 indicators in one area. So the teachers will go through each indicator and choose the appropriate level that they think that the school is at in each of the standards. So when they are finished, they'll sorry they'll press submit and they'll be done. And on your side, you'll be able to see the results. So what we're going to go through the steps to make your own copy of this document and send it to your staff. So just click on the link that you received on the email. Once you have clicked on the link, you'll be on the actual form. Now, this form, the one that you're looking at, is shared among all of us. So you have to make your own copy at this point. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to go to File, make a copy, and then name your copy with your school name to make sure that you know which copy you're using. So once you have your own copy made, you will know because your copy will have your own name in the corner. So once you have your own copy, now we want to make sure that it's saved in the right place. I'm going to close this window and that one too. I'm going to go to my drive and see where is this new document that I just saved at. So when I go to my drive, I can click on my drive and I will see that the new documents are there. So at this point I would drag it and drop it into the appropriate file, and notice that there are two documents actually. The one I created and the Excel sheet that goes with the form that will contain the responses, and the two is best if we keep them together. So I just put the two documents in the same space. Now I can go back to my document and open it to my Google form, and I will share this form or send this form to my staff. To do that, I have to go to Send Form and copy your address that appears at the top. I can copy that address, or I can make a short version and Command C or Control C to copy it. And then I can go to my email. You would go to the email that you use, compose an email, and paste that address there. And of course you would write some kind of text to explain to your staff what is it that you're sharing with them and what do you want them to do. So once your staff has entered their responses, what you would do is you would go to responses, and I recommend that you view the responses in summary of responses form. It's a friendlier version. It's more like a report, and it will show the responses as within a graph or a chart that will make it easier to see. But you can always view the raw data by clicking View Responses, which will take you to the Excel sheet that accompanies your form. feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and I hope that you find these forms useful. Thank you.